Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? You're fine? That's good. I welcome you in my class. That is English for grade 1. We are learning Unit 1. It's a beautiful poem with title, The Wind. Today's lecture 4, my dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today we are going to learn writing small and capital letters and tracing lines. We'll cover page number 7, 8 and 14 of your book. Before this, in your English primer, you have learnt about sounds of letters and you have related them with objects. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch these video lectures again. And we are going to learn further to trace and write small and capital letters following appropriate writing models of regular shape and size. Recognize that English is written from left to right. Pronounce and match the initial sound of common words depicted in pictures with their corresponding letters. And we'll take dictation of the letters. These are our today's SLOs. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Surah Al-Alaq verse 3 to 5, read, and your Lord is most generous, who has taught the writing by the pen, has taught man that which he knew not. Yes, my dear children, these beautiful verses, what they are telling us? Read. So Allah is asking us to read, and Allah has taught us to write by the pen. This is what we are learning. Yesterday we learned to reading alphabets. Today we learn to write alphabets, inshallah. So, on page number 7 of your book, here we go. We are going to start with the initial sound, and let me tell you better, what is initial sound? When we say a word, the first sound which we hear is the initial sound. Okay, the initial sound means the first, when we say a word, the first sound of the word is initial sound. Now we have learned the sounds of the letters and we'll match them with the objects which has the same starting initial sound, right? What is the sound of letter A? Remember, what is the sound of letter A? A. And what word comes with A? Apple. Okay, likewise, all the words, all the letters have their initial sound and they start a word. These letters make a word. For example, letter B. What is the sound of B? B. And what comes? B. Banana. C. Cap. D. Deer. E. Elephant. F. Fish. G. Guava. It's a yummy fruit. H. Hammer. I. Ink. Okay, so this is how we say the letters, and with the same sound we make words. So all these objects which you can see in pictures are words which have same starting sound as this letter has. Do you understand? So teachers, kindly pause the video over here. Make the children to practice the sounds of the words, the letter sound, how we join it with word. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Now we are going to start writing it. And how we are going to write? We are going to trace it. So here is the first letter, and that is A. So I'm going to start writing it. From where I have to do it? Do you know? We always start writing English from left side, from left hand side to right. We don't start writing from anywhere. It's from left. We have to start writing from the left side left side of your notebook, and then you will keep writing towards right, okay, the way I'm going to do it. So when we are going to trace, we hold pencil properly. Here is the starting point. From here you will start, and you'll keep joining all the dots very nicely, nicely, nicely. Here you go, and here you go, and here you go. Okay, my board is very sensitive, and you may write it in a better way, inshallah, in your notebook. It's the first, then second, then third, then fourth. This is how you will keep writing from here, page 7A till I in your books. So all of you, pause the video and complete this writing activity. Are you done with it? Good job. Now, here on page number 14, again, you see the way I told you. Now, all the letters, we join few of them and make words. So, these are words, and you just practice tracing. Likewise, you will complete tracing on this page. Are you done with it? Good job. It's a worksheet for you, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, links are there. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide printed worksheet to students for practice. And what you are going to do, you are going to trace all the letters, all the alphabets on this worksheet. And what is your homework? You will trace letters on page number 9 and 10. The letters which are left, they are on page number 9 and 10 of your book. You will trace these letters at your home. So in this way, we learnt the initial sound of the words. We learnt writing capital and small letters in Nelson handwriting. And we learnt that English is written from left to right. So tomorrow when you come with practice, your teacher will take dictation of the letters. Okay. So in this way, we achieved our today's SLO to trace and write small and capital letters following appropriate writing model of regular shape and size. Recognize that English is written from left to right. Practice holding a pencil correctly, and your teacher will take dictation of letters tomorrow. So in this way, we achieved our today's SLO. That's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep practicing. Take very good care of yourself. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz.